Hello there. In a video I posted earlier on this yardmax 6-speed 22-inch lawnmower, rear wheel drive on it, I said that I hadn't put much effort in it, but I didn't think it hadn't been starting unless I had both these squished together. I said I hadn't put much effort in it, but today though I tried it. I tried pulling the rope with a different angle, more outward instead of upward, more like this. And it started without this being up. It wasn't as hard. I think I was putting too much pull on this, too much friction on this. So I'm gonna try it here now while I'm on here. It's pushing the top down only and see if it'll start. Bear with me. I've got it down. Only one. Try to pull out straight if I can. Second pull, got it. So it does start with that one down. Then you don't have the wheelie motion of that. Well, we're really done a wheelie, but it had a pull to it. It has a jump to it without any help from me. This is Jeff with Jeff This and That channel. Until next time, bye for now.